उड़ू ऊंचा।
You know, these are the letters of the alphabet. The letters A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. You remember the beginning eh sound like eh elephant, eh egg, eh engine. But today we will learn the sound of the vowel E. It's known to be long E sound. Let's hear a story. Nabil has a pet sheep. Every day he brings his sheep to the garden and both of them rest their feet under this tree. They also look for beetles under the tree. The tree has lush green leaves. There is also a beehive on the tree. Bees share their honey with the boy and the sheep. Honey is sweet. The sheep also feeds on the weeds. Now let's notice some words from the story. Sheep. 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 Feet. Eat. Feet. Beetle. Eat. Beetle. Tree. 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 Bee. Bee. Feed. Eat. Feed. Sweet. Eat. Sweet. So when two E's come together, it makes an E sound. What a nice breeze! You know, these are the letters of the alphabet. The letters A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. Today we will learn the long E sound. When you join the vowels E and A, it makes a long E sound. The boy is eating ice cream. 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 Meat. We eat meat. We get meat from the cows. We use meat to make biryani, burgers and sandwiches. Which one is your favorite? Meat. Eat. Eat. Meat. Leaf. Leaves are not always green. When they fall, they can be brown, red and yellow too. Leaf. Leaf. Eagle has a beak. All birds have beaks. They use their beak to chop, cut and eat. Beak. Beak. Can you guess this place? Here many kinds of fish and other animals live. It also has different kinds of beautiful shells, plants and corals. Do you know what this place is? Yes, that's right. It's under the sea. And this is a seashore. Sea. Sea. But this place is a beach. It has sand and pebbles. You can play with the sand and swim with your friends. But always remember, not without an adult. Beach. B-E-A-C-H. B-E-A-C-H. Beach.
Like, share and subscribe.